Hello Aquarius, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your new month reading, December 2021, and December comes in winter, or winter comes in December. So happy winters. So this is your new month reading regarding your love life. If I found any general message in it, I will give you that message also. So it will be a general reading. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages. What resonates you and leave the rest. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So let's start your reading without any further delay. Underneath the deck, you are having Two of Swords and the Empress. I am picking up the message here that someone is trying to make a decision for someone who is very much attractive, and the person who is very much abundant and um, perfect for their love partner. If you want to make a decision for the person who is very much perfect for you and this person is abundant for you, so you have to make a decision for this person. Or maybe this person is already married, or maybe if you are married with a person and you have to make a decision for a pregnancy, if you want pregnancy or not. So this is the decision for you. Someone is pregnant and they are indecisive to uh, keep this pregnancy, um, or they don't want it. So this can be a decision for some of you regarding pregnancy, or some of you this can be a situation where you have to make a decision for the person who is already married, and some of you this can be a decision for the person who is very much attractive. So here, let's take more passages here. Here, your theme of the month is Six of Cup. Maybe someone is from your past is coming back towards you, or it can be a situation where you want a reconciliation with a person with whom you to whom you are very much attractive, and the person who is your abundant is coming back towards you. So you want the person back in your life, or maybe someone is coming back towards you. Someone has to make a decision. Maybe your person is need to make a decision, because in your person's card, your surrounding card, the hermit. So your person is taking a time to make a decision, because this decision need a lot maturity. So this person needs time to make a mature decision here. So what is blocking it? Wheel of Fortune. Like this reconciliation needs more time. There is a divine timing is at work. So here, this is not the time. In month of December, this is not a time to have this person back in your life, or maybe this is not a time to for the reconciliation, or maybe that's why your person is taking too much time to make a decision, because in maybe you have offered this person a commitment. You want to give this person a commitment, which is stable commitment. So you offered them, now they are taking time, and that you have made your decision. There is emperor in your mind card. So this is the Empress. In your mind you have made a decision. That's why you offered your commitment to this person after making that decision, and this is your own decision. You are making this decision by your own self. So you had made a decision, but this person is taking time to make a decision. So that's why in month of December it's not possible, because there is a divine timing. Some everything happens on their time. So in this reconciliation there is time left from divine. So that's why you have to wait. That's why, because of this waiting period, you are very much feeling pain, or maybe your pain is going to end, because you just made a decision for yourself. You proposed the person you admire, but this person is taking time to make a decision. So here, this is your wish, and this is your wish and the advice from the universe that there will be a new beginning, a stable new beginning with this person, but there is a some time left in this reconciliation. So you have to wait. In your near future, you are having Queen of Wands. So there will be a mature action from your side, or maybe there will be a mature action from your person, which who is very much attractive to you. So the person you love, the person you admire, they will make an action, and this will action. There is a outcome card is Tower card. So this person is taking action which is unexpectedly shocking you. So someone is making a decision here which is unexpectedly shocking you, and I have clarified this Tower card with the few cards here. The Empress again, Empress and Empress. This person, the person whom you admire a lot, and the person who is already married for some of you, and this is a pregnancy decision. The person who you are dealing with, maybe this person is already in a commitment, so this person is taking action to taking decision to break this commitment and be with you. Here this person is ending something here. This person took time to make this decision. Now this person is taking actions and making decision which is unexpected and shocking for all of you around you. So here someone is coming out from some commitments and accepting some other commitments. So leaving someone and accepting someone else. So it can be a situation, it can be you who is leaving someone and accepting the person who you admire, and that person is taking time. Now this person is also making a decision in the end of the month. So here two cards are here, new love. Maybe you are just leaving someone and accepting someone new. So this there will be a new love, or maybe there will be a new love in your existing relationship. And flirt, extend your light-hearted energy to others. If you want this commitment, you need to extend your light-hearted energy to have this to make this relationship as a new love. So Aquarius, this was your reading for the month of December. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.